In today's video, I'm going to teach you make your own Microsoft Loop page templates with duplicate page. By the end, you'll be able to turn any well-structured Loop page into a reusable template, so you can spin up consistent pages in seconds. Start by heading to loop.cloud.microsoft in your browser and sign into your workspace. Once you're in, open an existing page you love or create a brand new one that you want to use as your template. Think about the structure you'll want every time: headings, sections, tables, checklists, and any loop components you rely on. Keep the content generic and reusable. Use clear headings, sample rows in tables, and placeholder notes where people will later add real information. Next, look to the left sidebar and find your page's name. Click the three dots beside it to open the page menu and choose Duplicate. Duplicating is a simple safety move. It preserves your original while you convert the copy into a template. It also ensures any layout decisions, components, and formatting are captured exactly without risking the page you started from. With the duplicate selected, open the same sidebar menu again by clicking the three dots next to the page name. This time, choose Save Page as Template. Loop will open a dialog asking you to name your new template. Pick a clear, memorable name that signals its purpose, something like Project Kickoff, Team Meeting Notes, or Client Brief. If you use multiple variations, consider a naming convention that includes a team or scenario tag so people can find it fast. When you're ready, click Save as Template to finalize. Your custom template is now stored and ready to use across the workspace. To try it out, click the plus sign to add a new page or link in your workspace. This opens the template gallery. You'll see built-in categories, but what you're looking for is My Workspace Templates. That's where your saved template lives. Browse to your template, select it, and then click Use this template. Loop instantly creates a fresh page with the exact structure you designed, so you can jump straight into real work without rebuilding anything. And that's the whole flow. Design your ideal page, duplicate it to protect the original, save it as a template, give it a clear name, and then insert it from the gallery whenever you need a consistent starting point. It's a quick habit that pays off every time your team needs a repeatable, polished layout.